Hi guys, we're here today at Hilton Tokyo Bay near Tokyo Disneyland, and this hotel is right near the monorail line to Tokyo Disneyland, so you can quickly walk over there, pay to get onto the monorail. It is not free like in Disney World, and you can get a monorail to both Disney parks here in Tokyo. Here's our room. 853. And this room is considered a Hilton twin with park view. So we do have a view here of the theme park. So once you enter here is the bathroom, where you have a little stool, some extra towels, garbage, bidet, with a nice toilet. You of course have some amenities, and they give you here a vanity kit, a comb, dental kit, and a shaving kit, as well as some cups, tissues, body lotion, and hand wash. Now on the other side, I'm going to show you what this does here. You have color therapy, warm or ocean color. So here in the shower and bath, ocean color, warm color. And this does have a bathtub, as well as a shower head. And you have here your shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. And on this side, you also have a drawer with your hair dryer. After you enter on the right, we have some storage, extra hanging space, ironing board, safe, iron, slippers, and extra towels and blankets. And then next to that, we have more storage space, which has some drawers down here, space for your luggage, and then hanging space as well. And then over here on the right, we do have a full-length mirror. And this, because it's the twin room, it was 2 twin beds that they put together as a king. It's quite a lot of floor space. And the storage is not great because there's not too many drawers or things like that. Down here we have our mini fridge, as well as a drawer, some things for coffee and tea, green tea. Coffee is instant, not great. And you do have your hot water kettle. This is for water, which they do give you instructions where to refill for filtered water, and an ice bucket. And over here we have our TV area. Huge bed, no nightstands. There is a shelf behind the bed here, this in the dark spot here. And on this side, you do have your desk with 1 drawer, notepad, pen, charging station there, little table with 2 chairs. And then back here is that shelf to keep your stuff on. And then over here, you can pull these outside ones closed to make blackout blinds in the mornings. And this will filter light. And through here, you're not going to see anything. Oh, maybe you will with the lights. But we do have a theme park view. So straight ahead, we have Tokyo DisneySea. And then if I can get a good shot over there on the left, we have Tokyo Disneyland. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you don't mind hitting the thumbs up and like this video. And I hope that this video helps if you're planning to come visit Tokyo Disneyland in the future and maybe staying at the Hilton Tokyo Bay. Thanks, bye.